Hi mga Cardin! So this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Welcome to HN TV Baguio. So sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na kayo. Click the notification bell, okay, for more gardening tips and vlogs. Okay, so I have this question. How do you start your morning? Okay? Syempre, pagkagising, magmumukat muna, di ba? Tapos tatanggalin yung laway, kung may laway. And then inom ng tubig. Magkakape ba ka agad? Kakain ba ka agad? Di ba? Syempre, mag-stretch muna, mag-stretch. Okay, pero do you prefer to start your morning with nature? Okay, meron tayong pupuntahan na isang lugar today, this morning, na, very close to nature. Okay, so mga mahilig mag-jogging dyan, mag-running, mag-walking, mag-bike, this place is recommended for you. So, eto, sa mga plantito at saka plantita dyan, oh well, this place is good for you. Isang kalsada lang yan na diretsong gano'n, no? Tapos, marami na kayo makikita doon. From roses, anthuriums, Malaysian mums, ferns, wild plants, pero bawal kumuha ng wild plants for your eyes only. I discovered one thing. Akala ko, ang nandun lang sa kalsadang yun ay Malaysian mums, roses, anthuriums. Meron pa pala. Meron silang succulents. Okay, tara let's! Wake up na! Time check, 5:30 a.m. Today is December 25, 2020. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cayob, Alno La Trinidad, Benguet, and presenting to you the Rose Farm. Okay, walang mga roses kasi mag-isa lang yung natira kasi probably they harvested already the day before or 2 days ago or I don't know. They harvested it and then bring to Manila to Dimasalang. So most of the farmers dito sa Alno, they bring their cut flowers to Dimasalang in Manila. Some travel to Ilocos, what else? Pangasinan, lowlands, as far as Cebu, as far as Mindanao, basta doon ang bagsakan sa Dimasalang. Okay? Some also, syempre, they brought to Baguio market. Okay, so, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cayob, sabi ko nga. Tapos sa kabilang bangir, nandun ang Tublay, Benguet. So, we are in a boundary, okay, ng La Trinidad at Tublay. Itong nakikita nyong itong mga to, they are ferns. Pero hindi natin to ma-appreciate kasi madilim pa. So, babalikan natin mamaya pag nandyan na si sunrise. Tara muna doon sa kabilang bangir, doon sa Tublay, Benguet, sa Pangablan. Okay? Tara, let's! Samahan nyo kami. I'm with my sisters, by the way. So, itong kalsada na to, actually dead end nandyan sa kabila. So, we are here in Pangablan, Tublay. Pag dead end na yung kalsada, pero pag ituloy mo pa rin yung paglalakad hanggang you will cross the river, it will be the Basil Tublay. Okay? So, we will just enjoy the fresh air and then enjoy syempre yung nature. Oh, look at this! How I wish we have this in the house so that my 2 little boys will play with it. They will make, roads for their toy cars. I really like this one. I remember when we were kids, we have like this sa harap ng bahay namin. Okay? So, we do like this. We dig, we make holes, and we make roads, kunwari ganun. So, napaka-indigenous, napaka-creative. I like this one. How I wish we can have or we have this sa bahay. Oh, pwede lang iuwi, no? How I wish I brought my 2 little boys and they will see this one. Okay, may vlog naman, so makikita nila. So, andyan na si Haring Araw. Nandyan na ang sunrise. So, tara, balikan natin yung ferns. Oh my God. Kastoy. Look at that. Ang kapal nito. So, look at the dried leaves under. Ang kapal. So, ibig sabihin, decades after decades after decades, andyan lang sila surviving. Oh, it's a natural beauty. Imagine pag rainy seasons, the water will be dripping and it's so beautiful. Pero syempre, iba yung nasa isip ko eh. Bahay ito ng ahas. Pero by the way, okay lang. Kasi it is their natural habitat, diba? And it's so beautiful. Napaka-amazing. Ang galing. Ang ganda. Wala akong masay. It's so beautiful. Natural, aesthetic beauty. As we go back home, while my sisters will be jogging, running, and walking, I will continue taking videos for this vlog. Along the way, marami tayong makikitang mga farms. Actually, napakaraming farms dito. Anthuriums, roses, Malaysian mums. Pero yung papakita lang natin is yung mga along the way. Okay? Papakita ko rin yung sinasabi kong succulents. At saka syempre itong napaka-cute na aso, napaka-friendly aso. Sarap iuwi oh. Kung mawawala yun, hindi ako ah. Okay, so tara, samahan nyo kami and enjoy the nature, enjoy the wild plants na sinasabi ko na wild plants for our eyes only. O diba? Napakaganda, fresh air, 'di ba? So, come with us, join us as we journey. The wine. Gumatgatang dito eh. Ngam ka ano ko nga agla ko? Tao may kami. this is the largest kalabasa leaves I've ever seen in my life. Napaka-healthy nito, Auntie Cynthia and Uncle Zigo. Napaka-healthy ng inyong mga kalabasa. Waiting for the biggest fruit ever, 'di ba? So, I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who have been supporting us all the way until ma-monetize tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy yan. So, thank you for watching HNTV Baguio, our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. Teenog, kabasan mo. God bless.